Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this plastic pumpkin and some florals from Dollar Tree. I removed the hanger and lid from the pumpkin and took Sage Chalk Paint by Folkart, and I used a sponge to apply it. I did 2 coats, drying it in between. After that was dry, I took Plaster Chalk Paint by Waverly, put a small amount on a paintbrush, and kind of just went along the little lines around the pumpkin. And then this also has a little jack-o'-lantern face on it, so I just went in with the plaster chalk paint and filled in the eyes, nose, and mouth on there. And I did 2 coats on that as well. Next, I took some twine, and I had hot glued it at the beginning and just wrapped it around a bunch of times until that top rim was covered, and then just hot glued it into place. I took some rocks to weigh down the pumpkin because it's super light, and then took these different fall florals from Dollar Tree and put them into those rocks. And that is it. You can use it 2 different ways. You can use it facing the side with no face. It looks really pretty. And then you can also use it the side with the jack-o'-lantern face. And thank you so much for watching.